You are going to love the 2019 C-HR. The Toyota C-HR's fresh design make it stand out in the crowd, and the interior oozes with style. The C-HR handles like a race car and has all the safety features you'd expect from a Toyota vehicle, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, trip computer, rear window defroster. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.